Hello everyone, I'm Sam. Today, let's first learn the basic concepts of DCN.
DCN composition. The DCN contains two types of node, the NMS and NE. The DCN between the NMS and NEs is called external DCN. The DCN between NEs is called internal DCN. The external DCN consists of data communication devices such as Ethernet switches and routers. The internal DCN consists of NEs that are connected using DCN channels. Unless otherwise specified, the DCN mentioned in this document refers to internal DCN. DCN channel. DCN channels fall into two types: outband DCN channel and in-band DCN channel. Outband DCN channels do not occupy any service bandwidth. The RTN 300 supports two types of outband DCN channel: D1 to D3 bytes in microwave frames, channels over NMS ports. In-band DCN channels occupy some service bandwidth. The RTN 300 supports two types of in-band DCN channel: some Ethernet service bandwidth of microwave links, some Ethernet service bandwidth of Ethernet links. DCN solutions. The RTN 300 provides the following DCN solutions: IP DCN solution, L2 DCN solution. In the IP DCN solution, network management messages are encapsulated into IP packets. NEs forward the IP packets based on the IP addresses contained in them. This solution supports a maximum of 200 NEs and ensures high network stability. This solution is the default and preferred solution. In the L2 DCN solution, network management messages are encapsulated into IP packets, which are carried by Ethernet frames. NEs forward the Ethernet frames based on the MAC addresses contained in them. This solution supports a maximum of 1024 NEs. However, this solution has the risk of broadcast packet flooding and provides poor network stability. The RTN 300 also supports the HWECC solution. This solution is eliminated gradually. NE types in the DCN. Two types of NE are available in the DCN: gateway NE and non-gateway NE. The application layer of the NMS directly communicates with the application layer of a gateway NE. Generally, an NE at the boundary of an internal DCN and external DCN is a gateway NE. An NE located inside a DCN can also function as a gateway NE. The NEs between the NMS and the gateway NE inside a DCN forward DCN packets at L2 or L3. The application layer of the NMS communicates with the application layer of a non-gateway NE through the application layer of a gateway NE. The NEs between the gateway NE and non-gateway NE forward DCN packets at L2 or L3. DCN identifiers. An NE in the DCN must be configured with two DCN flags: NEID and NEIP address. An NEID is used for application layer communication. An NEID contains 3 bytes, among which the most significant byte represents the extended ID and the other 2 bytes represent the basic ID. For example, if the extended ID is 9 and the basic ID is 1, the NEID is represented as 9-1. An NEIP address is used for IP communication. By default, the NEIP address and NEID of an NE are associated. Specifically, the last 3 bytes of the NEIP address correspond to the 3 bytes of the NEID. For example, if an NEID is changed to 9-1, the corresponding NEIP address automatically changes to 129.9.0.1. Once an NEIP address is changed manually, the association relationship between the NEID and NEIP address becomes ineffective.
That's all for today. Thank you.